if there's anyone who wants to ask questions directly to Dhruv, you can ask them here. I've seen someone raise their hands. You can also like jump in and ask in the mic. And if there is anyone else you would like to ask questions to as well, feel free to say it on the channel, and we will try to get them up here on the stage to talk.
There's one question that I can see by Samad. Is that
Yes.
how did I encounter the bug and what was that bug? Uh, I was working on the like integrating the APIs, working. I was figuring out the APIs, right, to make a connection with our Rocket.Chat server. So at that point of time, I was going through the API documentation of GitHub, and at that, the bug that I found was in the authorization part of that API, where using any arbitrary, basically a token in the HTTP request, I was able to bypass the authorization for that resource that I was trying to access using the API. So basically, I was able to then, without having the private access to the orgs or the person's repositories, I was able to view all the private repositories and the metadata related to those repositories using that API. And it was a unique experience for me as well. I instantly got Rohan on the call after getting like after confirming it myself, and then I got on a call with Rohan, told him this, and then I told him that let's try to file it, and if you want to stay on the call, it's your choice, but it's about open source, right? Peer helping the other guy, right? That's the beauty of open source. And he stayed on the call with me for the entire day. I did the recording of the POC, figured out all the steps how to file the bug, and did that, and it was quite rewarding actually. And you never know, like when you'll hit the next big bug in maybe a Google or Facebook or anything. Yeah, and I'll move on to the last slide. If you want to reach me out, you can do it on Twitter. My handle is Dhruv_99, and I'm also available on LinkedIn, GitHub, and if you want to follow my work, what I do at Gojek, I try to publish my blogs on Medium. So there my handle is Dhruv.jan99, and you can always ping me anytime on Rocket Chat open server. Thank you.
That's cool. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dhruv. I see some people typing. That's for you as well, Dhruv. Yash says, would love to see if you have documented or published blog on that GitHub bug.
Not yet. I'm yet to do that. I'll surely do it, but it's been a long time now. I think it's close to more than 1.5 years. But still I'll do that. That's pending. Even one more guy asked me to do that.
It's a cool story, man. It's not every day you find, bugs in these kind of platforms. I think uh we're at the end, and we have some final notes to share. And Gabriel Engel is back here to help us with the final words of this event.